Alright, let's see what we get. Make a mess here. Remember, safety first. Well, that was too easy. So we want something a little more difficult. Bet you'll fit in a garbage can now. Charge us $25 to get rid of a TV. Anybody want it? Cheap. Anyone? The idea of the tarp was to try to save the glass, so it looked like I dumped too much on the ground. I gotta go find something else now to crush. Wish I had an old tractor or something around. Ah, you know what? Maybe that snowblower. That might be a victim. Let's see if I want any parts off of it first. But maybe we see if we can do some destruction to that. One other item I added to it is put a York rake with a regular hitch on the front of it, and it's real good for back dragging. You can put a lot of pressure down, just can't overdo it with getting the wheels off the ground. Alright, thanks for watching. See if I can go find something else to get me in trouble with. Take care.